This is Mother Nature's at her worst. It is flooding on Coyle and Plymouth Street, all in front of my house. As I go down, you got a little break right there, but down at the other end of the corner where we came in through, it's flooded all down there. And it's just building and building and building. The rain is just coming down heavy. No signs of letting up. It's all the way up to my neighbor's window outside of their house. I know how it looks on my side. Even Plymouth down there is flooded. Uploading this, sending it to the news, Fame in Detroit.